make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Admissions are open for MAT 2023 December exam. If you are looking for the best online crash course for the upcoming MAT 2023 examination, enroll our 50 days online crash course. The registration link for the 50 days online crash course is provided in the description box. You can refer to it. And in this video, as expected, the MAT December exam dates are released now. So let us give the detailed description about the December MAT examination. So as you all know, the MAT exam is conducted in 3 modes: paper-based test, PBT, computer-based test, CBT, and IBT, internet-based test. This time they have released 1 paper-based test date and 2 tests for computer-based test and 3 dates for IBT. So the first paper-based test is to be held on 9th December. The last date to apply is on 5th December. You can download your you can download your admit card from 7th December. And computer-based test 1 is to be held on 3rd December itself. So the last date to apply for CBT 1 examination is on 28th November. You can download your admit card from 30th November. Second paper-based test is to be held on 16th December. The last date to apply for the exam is on 11th December, and you can download your admit card from 13th December. IBT test 1 date is on 6th December. The last date is to apply for IBT test 1 is 3rd December, and you can download your admit card from 4th December. IBT test due date is on 9th December. The last date to apply for this exam is on 6th December. You can download your admit card from 7th December. IBT test 3 schedule falls on 17th December, and you can download your admit card from 15th December, and the last date is on 14th December. Now, see, if you are enrolling for any one exam, your test fee is 2,100. If you want to enroll for 2 exams, that is, you can enroll 2 IBT, PBT plus IBT, PBT plus CBT, CBT plus IBT, and CBT plus CBT. If you are enrolling for 2 exams, you need to pay 3,300. With the best score, you can apply for the colleges. And these are the essential documents to be made ready while applying for your exam: scanned photograph, scanned image, and you should have a credit or debit card or net banking details. And as you all know, the basic exam pattern is there are 5 sections: mathematical skills, language comprehension, data analysis and sufficiency, intelligence and critical reasoning, Indian and global environment. So in total, 200 questions and 40 questions from each sections. The time allotted is 150 minutes, 2.5 hours. No sectional time limit for this examination. I hope you all got some details. See, if you are looking for the next 50 days online crash course for the upcoming MAT 2023, you can enroll through the link provided in the description box, and you can join our MAT 2023 December exam online course. If you want to score 600 plus in the upcoming December MAT examination, don't forget to enroll LTL's 50 days online crash course. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.